Good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about the Indian desert. Indian desert lying in the western part of Aravalli Hills. It is an undulating plains region which made by sandy plain or desert soils. Okay. In this region, climatic conditions is very dry and arid climatic conditions is available in this region. Uh, 150 millimeter receives rainfall. Only this region receives only 150 millimeters rainfalls, and major river in this regions are Loni. Is Loni. Okay, Loni is the main river in this region, and some small rivers also appear during rainy seasons, and after rainy seasons maximum streams are disappear. Okay. uh, in the western part of in the northwestern part of India, the Indian desert are located. Okay, you can see in this map, outline map of India, mainly part of western part of Rajasthan, some part of Gujarat, and Gujarat. There are the Indian desert or Indian desert located. Indian desert also known as third desert. Okay, third desert, and in this region, another important features is barkhans. Barkhans are the shifting sand dunes which are available in the Jaisalmer region. Okay, shifting sand dunes, crescent shaped sand dunes, also crescent shaped sand dunes, also known as barkhans, and they shifted. They say they are shifting from one place to another. Okay, this is the main features of this desert region. So uh, we can uh, uh, we can discuss it according to NCERT books. The Indian desert lies toward the western margins of the Aravalli Hills. It is an undulating sandy. Undulating means not are almost plain. Okay, not are plain. Okay, undulating. Undulating sandy plains covered with sand dunes. Okay, sand dunes like crescent sand dunes, also known as Barkhan. Okay, uh, the region receives very low rainfall below 150 millimeter per year. It has arid climate with low vegetation cover. Okay, obviously because rainfall is not heavy and receive very low rainfall. In this way, there is with low vegetation cover. Streams appear during rainy season. Soon after they disappear into the sand, as they do not have enough water, so they do not reach in the sea. Okay, Luni is the only large river in this region. Okay, Barkhan crescent shaped sand dunes cover large areas, but longitudinal dunes become more prominent near the Indo-Pakistan boundary. Okay, so the third desert located in the western part of northwestern part of India, mainly Rajasthan. Okay, and one of the most questions from this section, write short note about the Indian desert. Okay, so I think you have got sufficient knowledge about it. So thank you.